Hello everyone, welcome to our unboxing of the boAt Nirvana 751 ANC Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Bluetooth Wireless Over-Ear Headphones in Gunmetal Gray. Let's dive into the features of these incredible headphones. Inside the box, we have the boAt Nirvana 751 ANC headphones, a charging cable, an AUX cable, a user manual, and a warranty card. It also comes with a convenient carry pouch, making it easy to take your headphones on the go. These headphones feature active noise cancellation, allowing you to say goodbye to chaos and immerse yourself in your favorite tunes. With up to 33 dB of hybrid ANC, you can enjoy a serene listening experience. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features is the battery life. In ANC mode, you get up to 54 hours of playtime, and in normal playback mode, an incredible 65 hours. Plus, with ASAP charge technology, just 10 minutes of charging gives you 10 hours of playtime. Sound quality and design. The 40mm drivers deliver crystal clear sound, giving you the signature boAt immersive experience. The ergonomic design and adaptive, luxurious ear cups provide maximum comfort for long listening sessions. Ambient Sound Mode and controls. The Ambient Sound Mode keeps you aware of your surroundings even while listening. The easy-to-access controls let you manage playback, wake up your voice assistant, and answer calls with ease. Connectivity and additional features. You can connect via Bluetooth 5.0 or use the wired option with a 3.5mm jack. Whether you're using these for music, calls, gaming, or traveling, the boAt Nirvana 751 ANC headphones are versatile and reliable. Conclusion. That's a quick look at the boAt Nirvana 751 ANC headphones. With features like long battery life, active noise cancellation, and a comfortable design, these headphones are perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews.